Good evening and welcome to Raylands. This evening I have the pleasure of introducing you to this Volkswagen T5. It's T5.1. It's the very much desired 140 horsepower DSG model. Full factory California. It's exactly what you want. Registration is Kilo Uniform 15, Bravo Uniform Alpha. So to start with, I must say the vehicle's just come back from the workshops. It's been fully gone through, so we have a new cam belt and water pump fitted. We also have a DSG gearbox has been fully serviced, and we have had the oil changed, 4 brand new tyres fitted and front disc and pads. So this California is the SE model, of which it has a fully electric operational roof, which will operate for you now. So you can see it rising, makes it very easy. It's a lovely feature to have. Very desirable, only available on the SE. So as you can see, it's going up now. Just push the button for it to go up. There we have it, roof's fully up. Just show you around the back of here with the roof up. Also well around the rear of the vehicle. Also worth noting here, we have the bike rack as well as a Volkswagen fitment with rear parking sensors. So now we can see it again with the roof fully up. The awning is currently out as well. Table and chairs are set up as well. The table stores away inside the sliding door, and the rear chairs fold away within the tailgate. All Volkswagen from the factory. Everything you see is completely standard van. So we're entering into the cabin. We can see we have the table and chairs set up. Shortly after this, when I go back round, we'll have it set up for sleeping. So captain's chairs to the front. So we should just jump in. We can sit here at the table, lovely, and socialise. We can also sit this side, looking across at our fellow passengers, also admiring the view. So we just pop the button to reveal twin gas hob burner and sink, as well as our fridge area as well. Those windows also pop open as well. Plenty of storage here. This concertina's back as well. Storage underneath the sink. The roof itself is in exceptional condition. There's no rips or tears or marks at all. So when we're ready for sleep, all we do is pull the roof bed down, and there we have it. Double bed at the top. We also have the area here with the windows that you can unfold and open. So I'm just going to walk you around the other side of the van, show you inside the boot, and we'll have this all set up for sleeping downstairs as well. So as I said, it's a TDI Blue Motion 140. Rear parking sensors with the rear bike rack. Just going to open the tailgate. So within there you can see up here, this is the area where your seats store away in. So down this side of the vehicle you'll find the lockable cap there for the water. That's for you to replenish your water system. And also our hookup for when we're camping. Again, as I mentioned, brand new tyres here. Looking down the side, paintwork's absolutely superb. Again, looking at that roof, absolutely superb again. Lovely silver metallic. As I said, front fogs, front parking sensors as well. As it's the SE, it's fully loaded, as you'd expect. Again, look at the colour there. So now we are all ready downstairs for sleeping. So you can see how quickly that's happened. This is the area for downstairs sleeping, and as I said, we just pull this board down, and then we've got sleeping upstairs as well if we wish to. We also have blinds which we've pulled down there just to show you what that would look like. We also have storage there as well. So there we have it, Volkswagen California, all set up there for sleeping. One thing I will do is just jump in the front cab to show you. So I'll just start her up a moment. So as you can see, there's no warning lights whatsoever. It's only covered 60,232 miles, so 60,232. Excuse the little beeping there, it's just the electronic system warning me not to drive away as the roof's up, which we can see up here. This is the area where you push to open your roof and operate your heating. We also have heated front seats as well, which is a lovely luxury. Radio CD there as well. And as I said, the desirable DSG, which we've just had serviced. 60,232 miles. We also have cruise control. And to the door there we have electric windows, electric heated mirrors. So as I said, ready to go, ready to enjoy the summer. You may have noticed also that we're proud to say we are an AA Dealer Promise dealer. So this vehicle comes with a 12-month basic breakdown cover as standard. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and if you'd like to purchase, please feel free to give us a call, 01460 312 93. That's 01460 312 93. Thanks for watching.